Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today we're making some DIY burrito bowls inspired by Chipotle. They're easy to make, they taste delicious, and also make a really good prep. So for my protein, I'm using chicken. So these are just some chicken thighs. Chicken thighs have a little bit more flavor and they're a little bit more filling than chicken breasts. I'm seasoning that with a little bit of garlic powder and paprika, and I'm cooking that in a pan over medium heat. You can definitely bake chicken as well. That's a little bit easier, but I like cooking it in a pan just because then we get a nice browning on both sides and it adds a lot of flavor to it. So you get that crisp brownness versus just baking it. And you can do a bunch of chicken at once and have it ready to go to build your bowls for lunch or dinner all week long, which is definitely what I did for this video and for all week. And then I'm going to cook some cauliflower rice, which they were out of fresh cauliflower rice, so I just bought the frozen one. Either one will work, or you can rice it at home yourself. I just find when you rice it at home yourself, the texture isn't even with all the pieces. The bottom ones get a lot smaller than the top ones, but you can definitely do it yourself. And I just cook it until it is softened. While that's softening, I'm going to go ahead and chop some cilantro because we are making cilantro cauliflower rice, kind of similar to they do the cilantro lime rice at Chipotle. It adds a bit more flavor, but the great thing is that the cauliflower is lower in carbohydrates, which makes it keto friendly. And I am doing keto for the month of March, but I also just eat cauliflower rice in my daily life for like years now. I'm squeezing half of a lime in. So we did a quarter cup of cilantro, half a lime. Squeeze that in once the cauliflower rice is done, and then you just stir it up. And you guys know I'm a big fan of cauliflower. It's also really rich in choline, so it's really good for brain health. It's got fiber. It's just so delicious and so versatile. So I just make a big batch of this cauliflower rice with cilantro and lime. And then, like I said, you can build your bowls all week long, which is super convenient. So once you have all your toppings and fillings, you can go ahead and start building your bowl. So I'm starting off with some cauliflower rice. So I found that one package, which was 400 grams, gave me 2 meals of cauliflower rice. So it's about 200 grams each. So you can even cook more if you want it for more than 2 meals. But I found that the chicken and the cauliflower rice gave me 2 bowls worth for the week. I add in some chicken. So I did about 150 grams per serving. I roasted veggies similar to the paprika and garlic, just in the oven, some roasted red peppers and some red onion, a little bit of lettuce on top, some butter lettuce, about a quarter cup, and then half of an avocado. You need healthy fats in there, and guac is on extra when you're at home. And I just did a simple avocado, but you can buy guac and use that if you like, but I find the flavor of just the avocado is perfect. And you can also squeeze a little bit more lime on top or add in whatever things you normally get at Chipotle, but this has been a staple for me all week long. I just finished it for lunch again. I've had it like 5 times this week. Definitely gonna have it more in the coming weeks too because it's just so easy and delicious. Perfect prep. You've got protein, fats, fiber. It's gonna be so filling and delicious. So I know you guys are gonna love this recipe. Let me know down below what I should make next. And I hope you guys all have a great day and a great weekend.